So this is the Anbull 1,000 kilogram or 2,200 pound electric mini hoist. Now this version is the H10, which allows it to go up to that 2,200 1-ton electric hoisting level. Now I have this rigged up with a trolley on my gantry crane here that I built. I'll put the video link here, but this thing has been quite pleasant to use so far, actually. I used to have the chain hoist that was very loud. It was very in the way. It had chains hanging down. Now this unit here has this chain bag. So there is that counter chain that's gonna hang down, but because of this bag, it's out of your way, it's out of mind, out of sight, and you don't even have to think about it, which is awesome. Now I went through and I tested this thing out with my Fireball tool table. I rigged it up. It took a little bit to get it rigged up correctly to where I could get a weight on it, but I did grab this scaly weight scale and I went and weighed what this thing was pulling on that Fireball tool table. Now that Fireball tool table weighed about 1,309 pounds and it hoisted that thing up without a hesitation. It didn't skip a beat. Now one of the coolest things about the electric hoist is actually how easy the controls are and how easy it was to set up the electrification. This one goes to 110 volts. Controls on this are easy. So with the cord pointing away from yourself, you have your emergency stop, and then you have your up, and then you have your down. And it's as simple as that. So anytime I want to lift something, just hold that, and it's slow enough that you can feather stuff and manage the weight, but it's also fast enough to where you're not sitting here for hours just waiting for it to lift like a manual chain hoist is so freaking slow. So that's super nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this table up, flip it over. This table weighs 466 pounds. So this thing is absolutely necessary. I'm also super happy that I have my DIY gantry crane that can handle this with ease. Let's flip it over. I should have had a tagline on it. I keep forgetting how heavy this is. So I'm gonna take a tagline. I'm gonna start to flip this over. Okay, I'm making sure not to get under the load. Okay, I got it tightened up. Now instead of walking this table out, I can actually just roll my gantry crane over a little bit. We're all good. So that's about all the distance we have here. So this might slide a little bit. All right, I'm gonna put some blocks under the top. And there you go. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Pretty good setup with this hoist. If you want to pick one of these Anbull electric hoists up, you can get it on Amazon, or I'll put the link in the video description for this model. Again, the capacity is 1,000 kilograms or 2,200 pounds, and it does hook up to 110 or 120 volts. Typical plug-in here. Super convenient. Also, if you have one of these or are thinking about getting one, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section so I can see what the feedback is on this particular model. Let's get back to the build. I'm having to cut a little bit of the weld there. This camera stand, I'm having quite the go with it. A little bit of an angle to it, but. So with these casters and these legs cut to the very bottom of that cross pipe there, this is gonna result in the top plate extending a 1/4 inch over that. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and just use the casters that I have, mount those up, and then whatever space over, I'm gonna consume with these all thread. So that'll take a little bit to get everything balanced and squared up, but I'll pull each of these down and bring this whole plate down about the 1/4 inch, something like that. Anyways.
Just like a deck of cards.
Right at 38. So I'm gonna have to adjust all these to bring this tabletop down about 3/4 of an inch. Hopefully it allows for that, but we'll see. I got a lot of them, so let's get to it.
I needed to make it longer.